What's up, YouTube? So we're back with another video. This time my buddy's Toyota. So what he wanted done was, he's already got light bars. So these light bars actually have lights themselves, LEDs, and then colored LEDs that go all the way around it, along with the same cubes. So the cubes do the same thing, and he just got some COLORWERKZ LEDs for the wheels. So as you can see, wheel lights, COLORWERKZ LEDs, and you control them by an app on your phone, and you can make them different colors, static colors, or make them go in a spiral. They're Galaxy COLORWERKZ. Different colors themselves. So what he wanted done was, he wanted them hooked up and put on his truck. So I'm gonna bring them over, we'll hook them up, put them on his truck. So what it takes to do it is, get out of the truck. So there's a metal ring. It's adjustable for different size wheels, and metal L-shaped brackets that if you have disc brakes, you're gonna have dust cover. They attach to your dust cover after attaching to the ring. So the front brakes on this truck are disc brakes, and they have dust covers. A little bit easier to attach those to that dust cover, but once we got another bracket, it was pretty easy to attach them to the back too. So after hooking them up, he wanted to make sure the lights, when in this mode, go the same way as the wheel does when you go forward. So we double checked the lights when I did that to make sure they were rolling forward, and I attached them to the metal ring. After I did that to all four wheels, I then ran the wiring from the front to the wheels and zip tied it off for where there's extra wiring. Ran it through the frame on both sides, ran it through the frame, and then into the engine bay. And the engine bay to the little block. The block is the controller block, and as you can see, it lights up wheel well pretty good too. I'm gonna try to get some footage of it at night once it gets darker. I can, if not, I'll have it sent to me. So in the front, you can see the ring goes around the brake and around the hub, and the wire goes up into the frame and into the engine bay. So the app's called a Magic LED app, I believe. Double check and make sure. So the app's Magic LED. Go to the app. Connect Bluetooth. And you can turn it on, turn it off, change the colors, change the modes, change the speeds. Change the brightness. For now I'm going to leave it on that. And on the high speed, and then shut them off. Lights it up pretty good. It took a couple hours trying to get all the brackets to work right, but other than that, looks good. I might do it to my truck. you like this, stay tuned.